this is Amory, and here I am on behalf of our team to give the representation of our topic for ethical hacking final project. Our topic is exploring local network vulnerabilities using a Python-based network scanner, and this is our team members. And in this presentation, we will talk about the explore the security implication of local network scanning using Python-based tool. Leverage the open source project Basic Network Scanner by X0xsun on the GitHub to give the basic implementation of how to use the repo tool to give the basic scanning of our network, especially on our local network. The background is about because the network reconnaissance is often the first step in a cybersecurity cyber attack. For cybersecurity area, internet visibility through tools like ARP-based scanners enables attackers to map out network devices, identify targets, and explore open services. This is about how to scan some port, whether the host is up or any service is running on the target host. So to prevent the target, to prevent the attack from the malware, so we need to protect our system by some very simple tools like this in this video presenting to protect ourselves at first. Problem statement. As I said, unprotected local network are susceptible to passive and active scanning techniques. Even without elevated privilege or advanced tools, attackers can defect to a host, identify MAC address and target and fingerprint devices. So by this project, we will show how to easily protect ourselves by some simple Python scripts. We will show how to deploy the system and how to create a simple scanning script, and then we will analyze the results of the identified scanning result. And then we will give some very simple and easy mitigation techniques to reduce local visibility. And here is the method we adopted. First, we clone and review the code from the GitHub address. The repo is basic network scanner from 0x sun on GitHub. And then we will create a Python script like this, and we will run it to give the scanning. And of course, the environment is here I use my Mac OS as a host and the Ubuntu virtual machine as a target in bridge model. We will run the ARP scanner and the main point py to give the scans, and then we will analyze the results and the response. The result in terms of visibility and the potential misuse. Here I will show like this. Through the GitHub, we will clone it, and here after clone the report, we will get the folders like this, and we can create some our personal or customized Python code. Here ARP test Python. This is the basics script that we created. Here is I used the bridge 101, and our targets is this IP address is our Ubuntu virtual machine. And then we will create ARP object and Ethernet object. Then we will have the packet. By using this object and implement the testing, we will use the SRP object. Of course, SRP is from scrap.r, which is the how to customize our script to give the basic scanning. And of course, the main.py it's a real implemented from the GitHub author. So they provide a main function and the port parser function and the validate target function. We can use the main.py to give some parameters or attributes to run, as we can see, and like this. I use the address dash t and ICMP to give the results. And then secondly, I use the dash p, the ICMP scan, host is up, or the Ubuntu virtual machine is up. The result is up, no problem. And then because I create some TCP scanner, so it's ran the results like the port A0 is filtered, port 443 filtered. It's very common used port. Obviously, the filter they're filtered because the default setting of the Ubuntu. Here is 3306 is a MySQL port. MySQL's port is open because I intentionally create the install the MySQL and open the port, so it's effectively scanned on our Python script. And the ARP scans results are is empty because the default strategy of the Ubuntu is make it closed or no host supported the response of ARP scan. And this is the process of the process of running our system to give the basic and very easy scan results like this. And the recommendations after this is in a segment network using VLANs to reduce ARP traffic scope, because as you are in the virtual machine environment. So in the most cases in our cloud environment, it is easily implemented. So using virtual LAN to reduce ARP traffic scope as an effective way, and disable unused network interfaces is the first thing. As you can see in the script, I use interface bridge 101. In some real practical system, if there must be more than one interfaces on the host, but some of them are not used, so it will better close it up, close it, and the system will not get access to any from any another host. So it's the best way to close the unused interface. And then enable MAC filtering or static ARP entries in sensitive setups. As you can see, there's no ARP response because it's very unnecessary. And use the host-based firewalls to block ARP replies from untrusted devices. And monitor for unusual ARP activity using IDS or APS tools. Of course, it's a better way to document all the unusual activities and then analyze it. So this is a very simple way to create a Python script based on the open source uh, basic network scanner from the GitHub to implement the distance scanning and get the report. Thank you. That's all. Here is the conclusion as I mentioned, and here's a very simple references. Thank you. We get the results from SRP object, and then we will create a for loop to scan all of this.